Arcturus, cosmic balance and order for nation leaders. 1. Return to truth. Do not build upon illusion. Nations built on lies fracture from within. Let truth and transparency be your foundation, not profit or deception. 2. Balance of power. Power is not meant to dominate, but to steward. Rulers must serve the people, not themselves. As above, so below. If you hoard wealth while your people starve, imbalance will collapse the empire. 3. Respect for the sacred earth. Your land is alive. The waters, forests, and skies are scrolls of divine writing. Protect them, for to destroy them is to erase the book of life you depend on. 4. Unity beyond division. Your strength lies not in separation, but in weaving differences into harmony. Do not let fear, race, or class divide you. These are illusions. See the soul, not the skin. 5. Wisdom over technology. Your machines are powerful, but without wisdom they enslave you. Use technology to heal, uplift, and connect, not to surveil, addict, or dominate. 6. Return to spirit. You have forgotten the stars. Remember that every law of man bends to the greater law of the cosmos. A nation that honors spirit shall not fall.